Okay, let's click on view website and okay. Isn't it crazy? I have just created this website within just a single prompt and it was very layman prompt. We have seen something amazing over here. Okay, there's a glitch effect while I'm scrolling as well. It has done its on its own. It has generated the videos, the images, the visuals from the internet. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Kimi 3 and how it's really revolutionizing a lot of stuff within the internet and how it is really in competition with Claude most powerful model called Fable 5. I will be giving you a walkthrough of Kimi subscription and how you can also use Kimi code for yourself within just $15 to $30. Everywhere in the internet, Kimi 3 is going viral and most of the YouTubers are making video of Kimi 3 beating Fable 5 and defeating the best model Claude has ever given to us. And how you can use Kimi 3 in the same way how you use Claude code with the Claude subscription. So I'm gonna give you a whole walkthrough of Kimi subscription. And if you are thinking of buying AI for yourself, so why should you choose Kimi or why should you not? So we are at Kimi page right now and we can see over here Kimi 3 introducing Kimi 3 and there's a blog written and Kimi 3 has launched. That's the most crazy news. That's an open source model, guys. Open source model is something, let's say if you have a GPU pass with you and if you can afford a lot of GPU pass, so you can host it locally. And by locally, I mean locally without any subscription fees. So anyone can host it entirely for free. So there's a catch. Kimi came up with 3 trillion parameter model. So that's a huge data set and you will be needing a most powerful GPU for running this for your environment. So let me tell you how you can use it with just Kimi subscription if you just want to spend some dollars into a subscription. So why you should choose Kimi. This is the plan page. We can see the Kimi plan start with $15 and goes up to $159 per month. It is similar to Cloud subscription, but you can also use it if you have $15, if you have $31, you can get more extra benefit. And if you have $79 and if you have $159, you can get more extra benefit from Kimi. They have plans for each customer, so no one left behind. So in the $15 one, you get some basic stuff like doc sheet, slide creation, you get extra credit from the free one. You get agent multitasking, then Kimi code is available right now in this $15 subscription. So if you don't want to pay $20 for Cloud code, you can come with Kimi code as well. And then comes the slide visual mode with Nano Banana. I love the swarm mode because it deploys multiple agent to a single task and it do it in a lot of different ways and very accurately. So we got some plugins available and some basic feature. So now we can come around the $31, which is more agent credit for everything. Then we get agent multitasking, which is similar kind of stuff. And then we get Kimi Code 5x credit. That's a huge thing, guys. So for some people, Claude subscription is also something they can use every single week, and a lot of usage get waste. So you get 5x more credit if you lack and you do a lot of development things, and if you want a model which will be like a junior developer or a senior developer, you can use Kimi Code. It will help you with a lot of stuff. Okay, then we can come into dashboard. We get dashboard, we get schedule task, which we get over here as well. Then we get goal mode. That is something we like. I personally use it very much because you just give it a task and just put it into a goal mode. So until it will reiterate by himself and wait till the goal has been met. So this is what it does and super useful. So we get song and then we get Kimi Claw. If you have heard about the Claude bot, so you can use OpenClaw within this without putting it into your system. And the fun fact is you can use it within your mobile and you can connect each other. So let's say if you are outside somewhere and if you want to use it from your mobile, you can use it. You can control your desktop from your mobile. So that is something you get over here. And then we get plugins and that's the basic features. So in here, just I will just tell you, uh, the extra part is up to 1 million context token and for ultra long conversation, that is what you get over here. In here, we don't get it exactly. And it's the same thing. You get it over here, just the 10x credit and 30x credit for Kimi code subscription. That is super crazy part of it. But let's say if you want to use all the features, the $31 would be just fine for everything you are looking for. So now we can see here, we came into Kimi and this is what it looks like. It has a very simple interface and easy to use, easy to learn as well. So here's a chat box. Here are some cool features: song, slide, deep research, website, docs, and sheets. So after that, you can add few things. You can add files, plugin, and skills. And if you don't know about skills still yet, you can watch my video on skills, how you can create a skill and what it is exactly used for. You can go into my YouTube channel and look for the video after this video. So this is something which I have made recently. So then we can see web search, because AI is always trained in the past data, so it do not have any information of the current data. So web search give it potential to look into the current data, the latest data, and give us information around that part. So I think this might have been cleared what this whole things are. Now we will be seeing what all models it provides. So there's instant, which is for fast and quick replies. Then we have K3, which is Kimi 3, which is used for chat and agent flexible. So then we have the K3 song, which is like a parent agent, which have multiple sub agent within itself and can use any of the sub agent accordingly as per your task. Let's say if your task is about research me on XYZ topic, so it will use just the researcher sub agents. So parent agent is like a major brain, which is handling all those things. So this is what the SOM is. So I'm gonna show you how you use it and how you can get most potential out of it. Okay, so this is the basic thing. Let's say if we write hi, it will be like a chatbot kind of stuff. It can, okay, we have put instant to hi. Hey Abhishek, what's up? What can I help you with today? So that is very basic feature which we can see everywhere. Now we will be coming to some of the cool stuff which we haven't seen some anywhere. You click on the sidebar, you get introduced by this. So we can go to new chat, we can go to workspace, which is similar to co-work and Claude. So this particular feature currently in beta, let's take something off your plate and you can put some of your work, some of your workload to this part and it will do it in your regular basis. So I use it for writing my Instagram video scripts, researching my YouTube scripts and writing my LinkedIn post. So this is what it looks like. You have two permission kind of stuff over here. So you can give it full access to initiate every single thing on its own, or you can ask it to ask the permission from you every single time. So you got few models over here as well, and then you can add on and put skill, put goal, and plugins over here directly. Okay, then we come to dashboard, and we can create our own dashboard. Let's say if I create this dashboard, so dashboard will be like a market pulse, which will be giving you every data of what things are going up, what things are going down, and all. You can have it for other stuff as well, and make it accordingly for your use case. So you can come here, create in a chart, and you can put it and just say enter, and it will try to create a widget for you. So let's say if you are into stock market, if you are into some stuff which you have to regularly monitor or look for in the internet, so you can create a dashboard within Kimi. So it will do all those things for you. It has given me data around finance and market, stock price, portfolios, currency exchange rate, earning calendar, and then it came to weather environment, local weather, air quality, UV index, weather alerts, sunrise, sunset time, news and information. It can look for RSS feeds, daily news, headlines, package delivery, flight status, sports score and schedule. Then if you are a developer, you can look for GitHub stars and CI/CD pipeline status. You can do a lot from just this dashboard. Productivity and life, media and visuals. I can show you a quick demonstration of, let's say, of a daily news headline. So we have given it a simple prompt and we will wait for a couple of minutes and get back over here what if it has created by then. We got a dashboard for ourselves and this is what it looks like. I just give it prompt of giving me a dashboard which is as per my niche. I mostly ask a lot of stuff around war, around AI, and a lot of stuff around technology. So it will give me updated news every time it runs. So last time it ran around 36 minutes ago and it happens around 14 minutes ago and it happens around 3 hours ago. So let's say if you are into any niche, you can use it accordingly as per your use case. And there will be a lot of stuff which you can do and create a dashboard. Let's say if you are creating an app and you are a white coder and you want to create an app, but again, you have to systematically see if it's working. Whenever your app goes down, you want to have a dashboard where you can track all of it. So you can use this dashboard for all of your needs. So then we get plugins. So plugins are something which we can directly use from our Kimi chatbot and it will do its job. So let's say if I use my GitHub plugin and ask it to give me the whole structure of this code, it will be able to give it because it has my access of Git. And then if I ask it to use my computer and do these stuff within my whole environment, it will be able to do because I have given it a plugin access. And WebBridge, SEC, and and we have others as well, like image generation, audio generation, Kimi Bridge. Then we have word bank, open data, and whatnot. After plugins, we have something called schedule task. So we can schedule tasks directly from here, or we can directly do it from workspace as well. So what is the benefit of scheduling a task. Say every single day you have a task to do, like doing this PPT and putting it into Excel, or it could be any single task which you do in repetitive basis. You can put it into the Kimi, just explain the whole work which you do in every single basis and just give it to Kimi. It will ask you a few questions, iterate with you, and will be able to understand what exactly you want it to do. You can have some couple of trials before you totally rely on it, but still you can do it within just a subscription, which won't cost you more than $15. So this is the beauty of AI. So that was all about scheduling. Let's move into WebBridge. So this is WebBridge, and Kimi WebBridge is very underrated tool available in the internet. If you ever have used Claude desktop, so you will love Kimi WebBridge because it's similar. So from Kimi, you can use or control your web browser efficiently, or any of the coding agent which you are currently using. So you just have to go. If you are using it with Kimi desktop, so that's fine. It will be directly connected. If you are using it any local agent like Kimi Code, Claude Code Cursor, Codex, Hermes, OpenClaw, so you can click on Get Extension or you can click on Install manually. So while installing manually, you have to go to extension and download this extension exactly, and then everything will be set up. So that's all. Then from chat, you can control your browser efficiently and can perform a lot of tasks within your browser by yourself. Okay, so we have covered most of the part. So then we have something called project. We will click on project and we will gonna start from scratch. So let's say I am working with multiple projects. In my company, there are 5 projects currently going on, and I'm working on all 5 of it in a small or larger basis, right? I can put the project name to be making an AI agent. Then we can select the directory where I want the whole project to be saved, and then I will save it. And from now on, whatever question I will ask, so it will be only saved to that workspace. And then if I want to shift that context to Perplexity or Claude or ChatGPT, I can do it very easily because it is like a file, and I can just copy that file and give it to another AI to understand the context and work from there. So that is how you can use project. And if you have multiple projects going on within your company, that will be something which won't tangle your whole context with each other and make the whole AI hallucinate. So that is something which you should use if you are working with multiple projects within your environment. This is my Kimi status, how much I have came here and how much I have used it. So you can see it over here. And for growth, I just opened it, so it will now be populated. Then there is something called Kimi Diary, which will log everything. So like how we do journaling and learn every single day with our own mistakes and with our own learnings, it does the same. It learn on its own and write journal every single day what it has done, what it need to do correctly. So it remembers every single time. So basically it's a self-learning loop, which the whole AI is currently working in. Then we can see schedule task again over here as well. Then we see song. We're gonna use this part. Then we can see slide. You can also create these type of slide for yourself. And we now got deep research. We can create deep research, something like these interactive papers, than something like a lot of graphs and very detailed one as well. So it has already presets in it. If we click on any of it, it will take us to the whole page and we can see what it will exactly look like. So here we get login to Jenny and the GitHub and a lot of other details. So most of the AI gives very boring deep research PDFs. But if it will be something like this, for sure, it will be very good to learn with. And I really love to read it. It can speak as well for me. It gets very useful when you want to learn in very interactive way. Okay, so then we can see this one as well. So, so this is similar. It's a deep research kind of stuff, but with visuals. So we can see trends, we can see charts. I'm hoping if I can, okay, if I slide in, it will shift. If see this functionality you won't get anywhere in the internet. With just $15 to $20, you get this type of ability within just $15. So if you want to create something similar, deep research kind of stuff, so you can come to Kimi and do these for yourself as well. Okay, now we get generate slide. I have given it create me a visual for Nothing brand, which is a smartphone brand and working on the transparent for smartphones. And I asked it what it's going to look like after the next 10 years. So it has created the whole prompt. I have created the generate slide and it's currently generating the slide on itself. So we got a slide where we asked it to create how the Nothing will look like, the Nothing smartphone company will look like after 10 years. So it created a very good slide. Let's review it. Okay, so this is the first page which we can see, and it has took all the current details and did it in much better way and estimated, like forecasted what it's going to look like in 2036. And we will be seeing a lot of stuff like CMF per $49, then phone 2, phone 3, AI OS generation 1. I'm not sure what it is, but again, it has done. And then we got something like camera-less phones. And we got it just with a small single line prompt. Isn't it amazing? Then we got website option. We can create similar websites, all of the similar websites for ourselves as well. It's gonna be long video if I will be showing you how you can create it, but I will be showing you on this one. Let's say if you are creating a website for a real estate company, how you can do it within a couple of minutes. So cool. I have written a prompt to it and I will click on enter and it will start doing its job. Okay, great. Now it has created the whole website for us and within just 30 minutes, and it has done all the testing on its own. Did the scroll down, scroll up, every single thing, and give us the final website, which we just need to open and is usable. Okay. I will be showing you what exactly files are there. So this is the whole file. So it has created the Docker file, the get ignore, API, public, SRC, database, everything it has already created. You just need to go. It's not a one-pager website. I'm telling you, it's a more than that. It's a whole thing. I haven't reviewed it till yet. I will be seeing you in front of you, and will also seeing the creativity and what it has created for us. Okay. Let's click on view website and okay. Isn't it crazy? I have just created this website within just a single prompt, and it was very layman prompt. We have seen something amazing over here. Okay, there's a glitch effect while I'm scrolling as well. It has done it's on its own. It has generated the videos, the images, the visuals from the internet. Crazy. And okay, that even that looks amazing. And can see what type of docs you can create. I will be just showing you for now. So once I click on it, you can see this type of document which you can create for yourself. This is one of the premium document I have ever seen created through AI. And for this document, if you go to person, you have to do a lot of iteration just to create this one. And now with just the help of AI, you can create it within just a couple of minutes and in a very clean way. So this is the power of AI, and this is the power of Kimi actually. And we can see in a similar way, we can see sheets to be created for our everyday need. I will be going with this one. We'll be showing you what it exactly created and how you can also get benefited from it. So if you have ever seen sheets, those are the very basic and boring things to be seeing every single day, right? But what if I tell you sheets can also be interactive? It not always need to be boring, right? The part which was remaining was Kimi Code. And this is what the page looks like for Kimi Code. And this is what the subscription thing looks like. If you are familiar with IDE, you can use it with Windsurf, you can use it with Anti-Gravity or VS Code. But if you are not familiar, you can use it within your terminal. What is terminal? Let me show you. This is what my VS Code looks like. And I will click over here, the down part, which will create a separation. And I will type Kimi. That's all. And press enter. And the Kimi code is now active. I can write, hi, how are you? It will reply me from here and will do code. And I can see code on the top, all the code which will be done with Kimi. How you can install it within your environment. Once you come to this page, you see this get Kimi code for Mac or Windows. So you just need to choose it as per your device and you can copy it. Then you can go into something called terminal, go there. So this is what the terminal looks like. I will just paste it and press enter. So it will, so currently I have already installed it. So it will just install the new version for me because it's looking for the latest version, installing the latest version for me. So this is how you can also install it. And once it will be 100%, so it will be installed. And then you can go over here, you can write Kimi and you can use Kimi code directly from your terminal or command prompt as well. If you want a video on how to use Kimi code properly, just comment it down. If there will be enough comment, I will make a proper video on decoding Kimi code step by step and how you can use it efficiently for your use case. Then we can come to Kimi Claw, which is similar to OpenClaw, and you can use it within your environment, automating a lot of stuff just for yourself. And you can create a mobile version for it. So you can operate it through mobile. So you don't need to be in front of your system every single time you need to control your system. If you go to setting and if you click on subscription, and then you can come to my quota to see what is exactly left, like how much data you have used and what is left for the whole week. So this is one of the things which you will be requiring when you will be using it more and more. And you can create your memory as well. You can personalize it by whatever data you want to give the whole agent or the whole Kimi to understand about yourself. That is all about the Kimi subscription. If you are watching till the end, hit the like to the video and I will be seeing you in the next video.